Forget what you know about the compact sedan. Because Mazda didn't just redesign the Mazda 3 for 2026, they redefined it. This isn't a facelift. It's a philosophical shift, a bold step into a future where elegance, emotion, and electric innovation collide. And the result? What you're about to see is a symphony of light, motion, and pure intention. Step aside cookie-cutter sedans. This is the new era of driving, and it starts with this. The 2026 Mazda 3, unveiled in all its sculpted, soul-red glory. From the moment this car enters your frame, it commands your eyes. Its presence is magnetic. There's a confidence in its design, a bold silence that doesn't beg for attention, it owns it. One glance and you'll know, this car isn't just new, it's next. Let's start at the front, and what a statement it makes. The face of the 2026 Mazda 3 is unlike anything we've seen in the compact sedan segment. Mazda has erased the idea of conventional and replaced it with visual poetry. The headlamps are now impossibly slim LED blades, stretching outward like wings of light. They're integrated seamlessly into a full-width white LED light bar, a visual ribbon that connects both ends and houses the glowing Mazda lettering dead center. This is more than lighting, it's identity. The grille has evolved. Gone is the traditional mesh or pattern insert. In its place, a subtle 3D printed honeycomb texture in glossy black, surrounded by ultra-sharp body lines and a flush nose cone. It doesn't need airflow because the powertrain has likely gone fully electric. Below the grille, the lower bumper is more aggressive than ever, sculpted into dramatic angular forms that whisper performance and shout presence. The entire front fascia flows like a single surface, shaped by wind and precision. Every line is intentional.
From the side, the transformation is just as breathtaking. The first thing that hits you is the silhouette. Sleek, low-slung, and utterly fluid. The roofline melts seamlessly into the rear, giving the 2026 Mazda 3 a four-door coupe profile that rivals luxury sports sedans. It's aerodynamic art, not just engineering. Gone are visible door handles. They're flush with the body, popping out only when approached with key proximity. The mirrors are slimmer, more streamlined, and mounted lower, minimizing wind resistance while maximizing style. The character lines? They're clean, yet muscular. A strong shoulder line sweeps from the front fender through to the taillights, subtly catching light and shadow as it moves. The bodywork doesn't need to shout. It flows like a calm river before a storm. The wheels deserve their own spotlight. Giant black multi-spoke alloys with gloss black accents fill the muscular arches. These aren't ordinary wheels. They're rolling sculptures. Combined with low-profile performance tires, they give the Mazda 3 a stance that says, "I'm here to dance and dominate." Black lower side skirts add contrast and connect the wheel arches visually, enhancing the grounded look. There's a clear sense that every single element is part of a harmonious visual rhythm. The side windows are deeply tinted, framed in black, and blend into a full panoramic glass roof, creating a continuous dark ribbon that runs from the front windshield to the rear. Sleek, modern, luxurious. This isn't a compact sedan anymore. It's a minimalist sculpture in motion. Now let's talk about that rear end. The 2026 Mazda 3 finishes what the front starts, with precision, elegance, and a quiet ferocity. The taillight design mimics the front with a single continuous LED light bar, cutting across the trunk with sharp detail. The thin lamps wrap around the rear quarters before pulling inward toward the glowing Mazda logo in the center. It's symmetrical, balanced, futuristic. Just beneath the logo, Mazda 3, etched in chrome lettering spaced with confidence. It's not oversized or aggressive, it's refined and proud. Below that, the sculpted rear diffuser takes over. Two vertical fins frame the lower edge, flanked by angular black aero inserts that give the car a performance-grade finish. The entire bumper flows like molten glass, uninterrupted by exhaust pipes or visual noise. This is likely an electric vehicle, and it wears that identity with class. The rear window tapers smoothly, aided by a black spoiler lip and shark fin antenna. There's no clutter. No wasted detail, just intention, form, and flow. In a world of cluttered rear ends and overdone styling, Mazda has achieved what few can: restraint that feels bold. This rear design doesn't just look good, it tells a story of balance, innovation, and a brand with design running through its veins. Step inside the 2026 Mazda 3 and you'll feel like you've entered the future of luxury driving. The cabin takes a radical shift toward minimalism, without sacrificing any sense of premium comfort or driver engagement. It's clean, sophisticated, and oozes futuristic flair. The first thing you'll notice is the sweeping dashboard, finished in two-tone leather, ivory and black, with piano black accents that shimmer under ambient lighting. The materials feel premium, soft to the touch, and well-crafted. But what really steals the show? That panoramic digital display stretching across the cockpit. The instrument cluster is fully digital with crisp animations. Speed, charge, navigation, and driver assist info are presented in a customizable interface, while a large display across the passenger side proudly glows. Mazda 3. It feels like you're sitting in a concept car, but it's real. The steering wheel is ultra-modern, with a flat bottom and touch-sensitive controls integrated into the leather-wrapped surface. Behind it, paddle controls and haptic feedback dials, suggesting future EFI or hybrid systems beneath. At the center console sits a rotary shift knob, finished in brushed aluminum. It feels solid, tactile, and surrounded by minimalist HVAC buttons, touch sliders, and storage hidden beneath beautifully stitched panels. The seats are futuristic yet comfortable, bolstered in all the right places, finished in contrast stitched leather, and likely equipped with heating, cooling, and memory functions. Rear passenger space is ample, thanks to the long wheelbase proportions, and ambient lighting courses along the door panels and floorboards for a high-end evening vibe. This is a cabin you want to be in, whether you're on your commute or parked just enjoying the view.
Now, while Mazda hasn't dropped the full specs just yet, this design screams electric. Based on the design language, closed grille, no exhaust ports, clean aero surfaces, it's safe to assume the 2026 Mazda 3 will offer a fully electric powertrain, possibly a new e-Skyactiv EV architecture. Early rumors suggest 300+ miles of range, dual motor all-wheel drive option, instant torque, and sub 6-second 0 to 60 miles per hour performance. Regenerative braking with customizable levels. But Mazda wouldn't be Mazda without ensuring the drive feels alive. Expect razor-sharp steering, well-balanced chassis tuning, and a ride that connects you to the road, even without a gas engine under the hood. Whether it's performance or quiet luxury, this Mazda 3 is clearly engineered for both. So, what have we seen? The 2026 Mazda 3 isn't just a redesign, it's a rebirth. It's Mazda looking at the automotive future and saying, "We don't follow, we lead." From the bold, lightsaber front fascia to the swooping coupe profile and precision-sculpted rear, this car looks like it came from 10 years ahead. Yet it still carries the soul of Mazda's driver-first philosophy. The cabin? It's more lounge than cockpit. Every surface, every screen, every button is designed to calm, excite, and inspire. It's futuristic, but not cold. Luxurious, but not showy. This is craftsmanship for the next generation. And if the rumors about its EV drivetrain are true, then the Mazda 3 won't just look fast. It'll be a silent predator on the streets, with the torque to back up the style. Now we want to hear from you. Which part of this 2026 Mazda 3 design is your favorite? The stealthy rear, the light bar up front, or that spaceship-worthy interior? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit like if you think Mazda nailed this redesign. Subscribe if you're ready to see what the future of driving looks like, one concept at a time.